When you get to the routing details screen in the line balance wizard, it'll ask you to select the routing that you want to set the scenario up for. So I'm going to choose my routing and add it. And then if you've selected the mixed model scenario, then you'll see the list of models that have been mapped to the activities in the routing that you've selected. If you enabled this schedule-driven balance and chose order files to create the scenario with, these model percentages will already be calculated and defined for you. When you switch to the Model Option Mapping tab, you also see that any model option percentages will be defined as well. If you didn't check the Enable Schedule-Driven Balance, you'll see zeros in this screen, and you'll want to define the model percentages yourself. So these can be estimates or they can be calculated based on real projections. You want to make sure that they add up to 1, unless you've checked the use percentage box, and in that case you want the values to add up to 100. If you want to exclude a model, then you can check that box. Just make sure that you adjust your percentages. And if you'd like to use the redistribute percentages, this will take the percentages that are defined and don't have a value of 0 and have them add up to 100 based on the original percentages. You can also come to the model option mapping spreadsheet and adjust this percentage as well. This percentage represents the amount of time a rear fender would be required if a race car is being built. Now, if you've selected the single model scenario, then you won't see anything in this section, and the only thing that you'll need to do on the routing detail screen is to select your routing. When you're done, you can click Next.